Welcome to Sprint Convergence's router setup tutorial. Today I'm going to go through how to plug your router in. So once you receive your box, you should find some various items inside. You should find the router, you should find an Ethernet cable, a DSL cable, a power supply and a microfilter. So once you've unpackaged the router, plug the power supply into the jack on the back. Once the power is inserted, if it is not already pressed in, press the power button. You should then see the power light illuminate. Now it's time, plug the microfilter into your BT socket. Once that is attached, you would attach the DSL cable into the modem port on the microfilter. Once it's plugged into the microfilter, plug into the rear of the router in the grey DSL port. Once all the cables are connected, you will see some of the lights start to illuminate. So the broadband light will start to flash. What you have to do is you have to wait till the broadband and the internet light are both green. This process can take approximately 5 to 10 minutes. After you've waited 5 to 10 minutes, you should see the broadband and internet light illuminated. Once it's illuminated, we're ready to go. So turning the router back over, we have 4 LAN ports. This is where you'd connect your equipment to. So using the Ethernet cable, we'll plug into port 1. It doesn't matter which port you plug into. Once the cable is connected into one of the LAN ports, you then plug it into your equipment. Now connected, you should have internet access. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to connect a router. If you require any additional information or assistance, please email us at support@sprintconvergence.co.uk or contact us on 01525 860 202. Thank you.